Today I'm going to tell about a topic. This topic is the flood of Sylhet. Today I'm going to tell you about the flood of Sylhet. In Sylhet there is many types of floods and many floods are occurring day by day. And my home district is Sylhet also. In floods many people are becoming affected, and for the highly rains the floods are becoming more and more day by day. But some people are helping the poor and the people who are suffering from the flood. Flood is natural calamity and every calamities are dangerous. Flood is also a very much dangerous natural calamity. And for flood, many people and all types of animals of the environment are becoming too much harmed. And for that, many people are also trying to keep these animals very much safe and keep the animals peacefully. Also, many people of our country are going to Sylhet to help the poor. But some people are coming from the Sylhet.
Hello everyone, how are you? I came. He is talking to the topic, the effect of floods.
And today, many types of people are being suffering of this flood. And our government is also helping the people by money, by many types of foods and etc. Many foods and fruits are becoming spoiled because of flood waters. And also
many foods are get spoiled because of water. The food can't stay good because of water.
Many babies and newborn babies are becoming very sick because of only the floods and the affections of flood. Because at flood many foods are becoming destroyed and many foods spoiled, many foods damaged. Because of that only the thing, many children are also suffering from many types of diseases in this flood at Sylhet. And we must also help the Sylhet people to stay away from floods, and because of these floods many things are occurring in Sylhet.
And many rich peoples are less suffering because of this flood, because their house is at the top floor of these buildings, because so that their house is not damaging, but many of their cars are being damaged and sinking in the water, so they are damaging too much. This damage can't be counted. Many of their money are destroying and finishing. And poor people's houses are being damaged and some of their houses are broken because of floods waves. The waves of floods are too much, so that the houses which are near to the river bank are being touched and river bank erosion is being occurred.
And the people of Sylhet are also suffering of many types of diseases such as cholera, then diarrhea, etc. diseases. And they are also having a much of fever, and today's a new virus which was found in 2019, COVID-19. This virus is becoming very much because of the floods. And the floods, the people are sneezing and coughing very much because of their normal diseases. And the many people at which place the land is at a higher position, that place people are going and from the lower position, so that in the higher position becomes very much populated, and for that many types of viruses are occurred from here and there. Okay guys, then no more today. Goodbye everyone. Thanks for watching our video, and stay well, stay safe, and help the Sylhet peoples and etc. Many types of
who are in Sylhet, they must need to get help and help others in that area. And you must help the people which are in your home and they are suffering from floods. So be careful for floods and viruses.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, tata.
Bye.